Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn flour. We'll cover everything from selecting the right corn to the final grinding process. Making your own corn flour at home is a rewarding experience, ensuring freshness and quality. You'll learn simple steps to transform dried corn into a versatile ingredient for your kitchen. Let's get started on this exciting culinary journey together. After cleaning, soaking is a crucial step to prepare your corn. Submerge the kernels in water overnight, allowing them to soften. This makes grinding much easier and helps achieve a finer texture. Once soaked, drain all the water and spread the corn out to dry completely. Proper drying prevents mold and ensures a longer shelf life for your homemade flour. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Quick recommendation, making your own corn flour is great for cooking, and speaking of cooking, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing all your culinary creations. Check the description below for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, grinding. A sturdy grain mill or a high-powered blender works best. Grind your dried corn in small, manageable batches to avoid overheating your equipment and to ensure an even grind. After the initial grind, sift the flour through a fine mesh sieve. This separates any larger, unground pieces, which you can then regrind for a smoother flour. To achieve a truly fine corn flour, regrind any coarse particles caught in your sieve. This extra step ensures a consistent, smooth texture perfect for baking and cooking. If your flour feels slightly damp, spread it thinly on a tray to air dry completely before storage. Store your finished corn flour in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for optimal freshness and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.